Hello everybody. This is going to be kind of a warning or a review sort of thing on a Chefman French door air fryer plus oven, model number RJ50-FDAF-M25. Sit right there. Now let me show you the air fryer so we'll know what we're talking about. It's this model right here that has the knobs and the light. Now, what was happening when I was cooking meat that's pretty moist, like chicken or pork, it creates a lot of steam, and the steam gets on the sides and the back, and it goes down. And since this crumb tray is not watertight or any of that, it just kind of slides in and out, moisture would get underneath it and would kind of sit. You could see the pits right there. And because I use aluminum foil on my drip tray, this stayed very clean. I mean, you can see maybe a little bit right here, and that's probably from just, pulling something out. But the moisture would also accumulate and puddle between these two rivets in the back. Now, I first thought there was some sort of electrical component underneath here that was riveted in, and maybe it was shorting out, and that was what was causing the rust here. But it turns out there's nothing electrical down there. It's just solely due from water puddling right here and not taking the drip tray out and drying it out. So let me show you the one that got replaced, and let me just say that when I notified Chefman about this problem, that was really nice. They shipped me a brand new one right away. They didn't make me send the old one to them, so that was really nice. I kind of wish they would have wanted this one back so they could look at it and see what was going on. But nonetheless, let me show you the old one. Now, when I say old one, this air fryer here was only about 6 months old when I realized what the problem was. And you can see that is where water would just sit, and it would cause a corrosion and very heavy rust in that one spot. So my theory, some sort of solution for this is to make sure you pull the crumb tray out every time and wipe it down, or better yet, if you're cooking pork or chicken or maybe even beef, just don't even put the crumb tray in there. Because I'm thinking air circulation is going to dry it out before it has a chance to puddle. The heat plus the air circulation, and that'll keep it from puddling up and keep it from rusting out. Obviously, Chefman, they should probably have a whole lot better coating on the inside of this, but it is what it is, and so we have to try to compensate for some of this stuff. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. Just make sure when you're cooking with chicken or pork, don't put the crumb tray in there, and wipe it out every time you use it. I'm thinking even when you cook, if you got the crumb tray in there, and that moisture's still going to get really, really hot and probably still pit that the bottom down there. So I think it would be best to not even use the crumb tray unless you're, like cooking dry stuff like bread or something like that. So anyway, that is it. Hope this helps somebody. Thank you.